Here we go. Hey YouTube, long time no see. I was checking on a little plant project I got going on outside. I converted leaves into this beautiful, beautiful potting soil. Now, yeah, started out with this. Put it in here. Now later I'm going to be extracting this, but right now I don't have nothing to put in, so hopefully I don't lose anything. So, go ahead and hold that. Cardboard to go on the top, and take some pantyhose and put over the top to hold the cardboard in place so you don't lose anything. That's what's left of the original. That can be tossed now. Don't want to lose any of that. Whew. It's amazing that you can take a part of a stump like this go ahead and put some more leaves in here. Now, cover it like this. I'm going to get me a brand new bucket that can do a lot better than that. That's the older stuff I recycled. Alright. Hope to have some more videos coming up soon after this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.